is how you do your word work in 5 ways. So you are going to need the supplies. You're going to need a pencil, a pen, a colored pencil, a marker, and a crayon. Do your best to find those. If you can't find them, you can always substitute and write something in 2 different colors. So first thing I'm going to do is in pencil, I'm going to write my spelling word, making sure I write it neatly and spelled correctly. So I'm going to write it in pencil first. Then I'm going to write it in pen. Then I'm going to write my spelling word in colored pencil. Then I'm going to write it in marker. And if you don't have one of the coloring utensils, like for example, if I don't have a crayon, what I could do is find a different colored, I have a different colored marker. So I'm going to write it again in a different color. But try to find all those supplies. Next adjustment, if you don't have enough room, so I have smaller handwriting, so mine fit nicely in there. But if you have a word that's too long and you can't fit it in there, what you can do is you can write it on a piece of paper. So I can write it once in pencil, once in pen, just like it's telling me to do right here. Again in colored pencil. And then in marker and crayon. And I can do that for each of my spelling words. If it doesn't fit in the box, I would rather have it nicely written on a separate piece of paper. And then when you turn it in, just take a picture. If you have to turn it in, just take a picture of both pages here. So that way it's nice and neat. So make sure if your writing is super crammed in there and it's hard to read, just do it on a different piece of paper. And that is how you do 5 ways for your word work activity.